Have you seen this device? After shaking the handle, the small rotor and the small stick turned loudly. Watch or have a regular regress. So what is its specific use? In fact, this is a masker that simulates both transverse and longitudinal waves. Remember what transverse waves and longitudinal waves are? The simplest way is to stretch a metal spring ring. Then he shook his hand violently. We can see that the direction of wave propagation is to the right. But each small ring is vibrating up and down. That is to say, the two are perpendicular to each other. This is transverse wave. There are waves and troughs. For example, electromagnetic waves. Let's look at longitudinal waves. Push your hands forward. It is obvious that the direction of wave propagation and the vibration direction of the small ring are both horizontal. Keep the two consistent. This is the part where the longitudinal wave exists in sparse and dense. For example, sound waves. Now let's get back to the instrument. How did he show it? Observe the short stick on the right side that moves horizontally. Observe the stick that turns a right angle on the left. A proper longitudinal wave. The key to all this is the regularly arranged Tianjin wheel at the bottom. They have equal directional differences from left to right. Cut a needle. We can see that the height of the upper side of the eccentric wheel presents a curve. So as the wheels rotate synchronously, this line is moving. And because each stick is in contact with the corresponding eccentric wheel. So just by looking at the end of the stick, you can feel the periodic changes of transverse and longitudinal waves. In fact, at the beginning, this wave instrument can only produce transverse waves. Later, smart manufacturers added several right-angle sticks of different heights. There is an improved version that can observe both transverse and longitudinal waves at the same time. Similar star cam methods are also used in many ornaments. For example, fake waves. Place several long wooden strips on the rotating star wheel in sequence. All of a sudden, it came out from inside and outside. You can also add a boat or change the size and arrangement of the wheels. Above the installation, we can almost see the ripples formed by the beads falling into the water. Very beautiful.